Cheers. Hey there, we're going to come to you now with 3 keto snacks. The first of which is deviled eggs, and I'm here with Lindsay. And one of the things I want to just observe here is that deviled eggs aren't just keto snacks, they're snacks for anybody.
Yeah,
right?
They're not even just a snack. I'd make a whole meal.
No, exactly. I've done that before too.
Me too.
Yeah. Very easy to make. We're going to start right now. Just take hard-boiled eggs, cut them in half, put the yolks in a bowl separately. All right, here we go. Come on, you can do better than that, Mark. They aren't exactly as hard-boiled as I'm used to. They're sort of medium-boiled, so there we go. That's a good one. All right, and una más. Okay.
All right, so I will start smashing these up.
You start smashing them up, okay. And it is my understanding that we're going to be using some Primal Kitchen products.
It is, and actually, we're going to use the traditional mayo today. I almost always make my own deviled eggs with the chipotle lime mayo because it's delicious. That's the only ingredient I use is eggs and chipotle lime. But we're going to do a really traditional deviled egg. So I'm going to need a large bloop of...
A large bloop.
A large bloop. That's a
bloop.
That's about 2 tablespoons or so. That's only a half bloop. I'm going to need
a half a bloop. Okay, a double of that. Okay.
All right.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
I love the avocado-based mayonnaise. It's so thick.
And you can use
creamy.
more if you want. If you want extra creamy.
I think we might have to.
Okay, a little bit more, sure. A triple bloop.
Well, 2.5 bloops.
Okay. And then I need a very, let's say, mini bloop, like a teaspoon of the spicy mustard. And again, 2 tastes. So
all right, I'm just gonna,
that's great.
Just gonna bloop that out right there.
Thanks.
Yep.
Now, I'm just using a fork to mash this up.
Okay.
And I leave mine a little chunky. What do you think? Are you a chunky or a smooth deviled egg kind of guy?
Yeah, in between. Yeah.
Okay. Then let's give it a little hit of pepper.
All right. You see it going in there?
There you go. It's perfect. And just a little hit of the salt because I don't want to.
Tiny bit of salt.
I don't want to make them too salty.
Yep.
Because the mayo has such a good flavor. You don't want to drown that out.
Right.
Okay. So now we've got our mixture, medium chunky. More smooth than chunky, but still a little bit of texture. And then we're just going to use our spoon, and we are going to fill our eggs carefully. Now, another thing you can add to this is just actually you can mash up some avocado. You can, I've actually used some of the Primal Ranch in mine. So again, another really super flexible recipe, but one that any
I want to help.
Okay, help me. Love it.
All right.
All right, and now we're going to use this paprika. I think this is a little bit of smoky paprika here. Let's see.
Okay.
Yep. All right, you want to give us a hit of smoked paprika over the top, give a little bit of color, give it a little bit of extra flavor.
Sure.
Ooh.
How am I going to do this now?
Yeah, all right.
Pinch it out, I think?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay.
There you go. Perfect.
My goodness. Yeah, all right, there we go.
Give it your best
flair.
chef.
Some flair with it. Boom.
Bam. Perfect.
Boom. Bam.
Love it. Amazing.
Right. All right. Well,
Look how good that looks. So colorful.
I think so.
Deviled eggs.
There you have it.
Perfect keto snack. Okay,
all
ready?
Right, there you go. Cheers. So good.